How to replace the air pump on the Human Touch Certus massage chair. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Detach the rear shroud by removing the 2 screws that are securing it to the chair base. Pull firmly to disconnect the air hose. Then, remove the 4 screws securing the air pump to the chair base. Follow the harness from the air pump to the main PCB and cut any zip ties securing it along the way. It is important you do not cut any of the wiring. Now, pull to remove the clip securing the connector tab and then press the tab to disconnect the connector from the main PCB to remove the air pump. To install the new air pump, place the pump into position and then thread the harness under the wiring, inserting the connector to the main PCB. Secure using the connector tab clip previously removed. Secure the harness to the wiring and chair base using new zip ties. Cut any excess tie. Secure the air pump to the chair base using the 4 screws previously removed. Then, attach the air hose to the pump, pushing firmly to secure. Reinstall the rear shroud by inserting the 2 inner posts and outer tabs into their corresponding spaces and secure using the 2 screws previously removed.